everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. Today we have two pretty young energetic ladies like me who will be our special guests for today's episode, and they are
Stella
and Trinity. In today's episode, we're not going to learn about
maths
or maths, but we're going to learn about
students' life at school.
Before we proceed, remember to
Like
and subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our latest videos. And if you're on Instagram, follow them on their IG, which I've listed in the description below. Well, me as an adult and also as a parent, I'm very curious and keen to know how's life as a student at school nowadays. So today, I've prepared 10 questions for both of you. So, are you ready?
Yes.
So let's start with the first question.
Here we go.
I know that students hated homework nowadays. How about both of you?
Yeah, kinda sometimes.
Fun fact, I don't have homework, so it's a win-win for me. So,
How about you?
We get a lot
Oh,
But-
so have you ever forgotten to do your homework?
Most of the time, yes.
Why? So what punishment did you get?
It's either we get demerit, you sit outside the class, they make you see the discipline teacher, or you just...
Which one you kena before?
oh, where's the wrong
Don't do it again.
Oh
Okay?
my god.
That scared me!
Why you so lucky you don't have homework?
Yeah, but my maximum
so
if
lucky,
I no, but if I have homework, my maximum is just 1 to 2 only. That's
I get like about 5 sometimes.
wow, that's sad for you.
Okay. What do you think of our current national syllabus?
It changed a lot.
It's
changed a lot.
hard.
Yeah.
It's hard.
It's hard, especially when they change to a KSSM, right?
Yeah. We
So-
kinda like I'm Form 3 and we're learning like college and Form 5 stuff.
From
Oh.
6 also. From 6 also.
Form 6 also, yeah.
For maths and science.
And we're the
Not Form
first
6
batch.
lah. It's like
What?
the
It's true.
Form 4
Yeah,
chapters has moved to Form 1 chapters, right? Because nowadays, the kids nowadays are smarter than before, right? Than the older
Our
generation.
maths is half at maths, by the way.
Yeah,
It is.
but it's still doable, right?
Last minute doable, yeah.
But I think the problem is because you guys are getting the textbook at very late, right? Very
Yeah.
late time. Like when you get your textbook for Form 3, it's about when?
June, July.
June, July.
For
For
DLP,
dual.
you got
Yes.
June,
Or DLP.
June lah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
June,
the textbook
July.
came out late, and then you have such a short time to cover all your Form 3 syllabus, right? And then your PD3 is in which month?
October.
October, so you have less than half a year to cover everything. Wow, that'd be so stressful.
It's just in a few months. So.
Yeah, wow, you girls are really like superheroes.
Nope, not
Right?
even
Nope,
close.
not at all.
Not close.
Okay, we hope that for next year you'll get your textbooks early so they can start studying early.
Yeah,
I
I
hope
hope so.
lah.
I hope so.
Okay. What is your most hated subject and why?
I don't hate any subject, but
It's just this
my
like
least favorite is sejarah.
Why sejarah?
I
It's such an interesting subject.
Yeah.
It's like reading a storybook. And you try to visualize yourself inside the story. Just like, let's say, penjajahan British di Tanah Melayu. Just imagine you're a part of the character in the story. And then you try to understand it, visualize it, then memorize the facts, and then you can blurt it out in exam. Right? If you love A, you should love that subject. How about you?
same.
Same, sejarah also.
Sejarah.
But if you understand sejarah, you actually
You'll love
this-
it.
You will love it.
Yes.
It'll be so interesting.
If you love that A, you will love the subject.
Yeah. Technically, that's correct. So.
How do you girls deal with stress, especially during exam period?
You eat dark chocolate. Because dark chocolate is obviously better than normal chocolate. Because normal chocolate makes you like fattening.
Yeah.
So you eat dark chocolate, which is actually better. So yeah.
Okay. How about you?
Sit in a quiet place and listen to music.
Yeah, instrumental music, okay?
No, K-pop.
What?
Okay.
I'm a K-pop fan.
No, one should listen to instrumental music because, song with lyrics, okay, occupies your left brain, and then some more you are studying, you're feeling stressful. So you should, listen to instrumental which, occupy the right brain so that your brain will be balanced. And classical music like, okay, this song makes you smart and intelligent. So when you study, okay, whatever you study will be easily absorbed into your brain. It makes you smart and get A's in exam. Right? What K-pop music that you normally listen to?
Let's kill this love. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ram, pa, 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 pa.
Are you guys done?
Okay.
She's a Why Don't We fan.
Yeah.
I know K-pop. No.
You know?
How do you girls prepare yourself for exams?
Did you pass your paper? That's for sure because it works.
Okay.
Take notes. Buy highlighters. Highlight all the key points in the book.
You gotta study 3 to 4 weeks before the exam because you definitely can't cram everything into your brain just like 1 to 2 weeks. So definitely 3 to 4 weeks. And the best thing you can avoid is actually to not use your mobile phone
Yeah, no
because
phone.
it can get really distracting and really annoying sometimes.
Mute
so-
all your WhatsApp groups. It's
Yeah.
so annoying.
And technically just uninstall all your social media just for that 2 weeks. One
Just
and a
for
half
like-
week.
After exam, you can start playing games.
Yeah.
It's the only way for you to get an A.
Your freedom. Yeah. It's good.
Okay. In conclusion, you have to start preparing early because
If you fail to prepare,
Prepare to fail!
Okay, here's another serious question. Have you girls ever begged for any extra marks for your exams?
Well,
Yeah.
So technically, begging for extra marks, for exam is actually not really a good thing because you don't really earn it. But like sometimes you're just so close
like
to
1
getting
mark
A,
away
like,
from an A or
Yeah.
passing.
you just gotta give it a try,
Yeah.
But my teacher actually don't really give it easily, so you have to go through and find the points whereby you think that you can
Yeah, she'll
get.
ask you to
any
go
point.
through a paper and find something that she can give a point.
Yeah, and then there you go, you get a point. But sometimes the disadvantage is that she realized she marked it wrong. Then it could actually go to A3.
You lose a mark.
So
Okay.
then
You're gonna
it's
kantor
just-
already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check.
Okay, make sure that you are very confident that you deserve that 1 mark, then you go to the teacher to beg a mark. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly find points from essay.
Okay. Okay, what do you like about your school?
The activity, your friends,
Friends,
the
teachers,
curriculum,
sometimes.
teachers. It's
Okay.
amazing. I heard that, Stella.
Okay. What's that again?
Nothing. You heard nothing. I said nothing.
I heard everything.
No. Next question.
Okay. What do you hate about your school?
The canteen food.
Okay, why?
No, it's not bad, but sometimes the food is cold.
Oh,
And now
okay.
the price is double.
Wow.
Like if it's 2 ringgit, now it's like 4 ringgit.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
Oh.
At least we have this thing called koperasi.
Okay.
It's where you buy books, but they also sell biscuits and some drinks.
My koperasi
Most of us
food.
buy it from there, and people bring their own food.
Yeah, but my koperasi food is just amazing.
Yes, I know, right? Koperasi
It's
food is
good.
better.
What kind of food that you can buy there?
It's like biscuits.
You can get
sometimes
biscuits,
there's bread,
yogurts.
Yogurt,
My
yogurt drink.
koperasi now is selling burgers and hot dogs.
Wow.
Oh, my has.
There's a kitchen there?
No, they will order it, and
Oh,
we
I
got
see.
for Hari Koperasi we get Domino's pizza.
Yes,
Wow,
Domino's. But mine's Pizza Hut.
okay.
Mine's Pizza Hut. Yeah.
Wow, so
Still
lucky.
pizza, we get pizzas.
Yeah, pizza.
Okay.
Pizza's amazing.
But how much do they sell?
Huh? It's
How
a
much do
lot.
they sell?
It's-
How much? I mean,
I
what's
mean-
the price?
One biscuit is like 150, like this big. It's
Okay.
150.
Yes.
The small one is 60 cents.
Yeah.
And like 100 plus, the bottle is 2 ringgit, and the tin cans is like 150.
150. Okay, that's
It's-
reasonable.
It's with a good price.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. So normally for my school, we would just go to the koperasi and just buy some biscuits, and then we would just go to canteen and eat. But sometimes we kena scolding because we're bringing like outside food.
Oh, you're not allowed to bring food from home?
No, you can bring food from home, but
Okay.
because like they already prepare it and then we didn't go and buy, so they're like kind of like
Let's say when I was young, okay, we used to put our bread inside the Tupperware, and then we bring to school and eat. We seldom go to the canteen and buy food. How about the children nowadays? Do they still do that? Like they
There
bring
are
their own
some lah.
roti
Yeah,
and then they
there's
eat
some,
during
but
recess?
not really. Probably for like the whole form 3, just one or two do
Oh,
that.
they still allow, right?
Yeah, they still allow that. That's
It's
okay.
still okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever break any school rules?
Fun fact, no, because my discipline teacher is really strict, like
Okay.
on point strict. So no,
Okay.
I've break one rule.
one.
No, wait.
Are you sure it's
What?
one?
I mean, long nails is normal. I will cut it
Yeah.
before going to school.
Okay.
I will bring my phone to school.
Why you need to bring your phone to school?
I mean, sometimes I will hang out my friends after school and we won't go
Okay.
home. So we will just hide it in the bags and outside of school we will take it out and go hang out.
what if there's spot check? Then you won't be able to get back your phone.
I have a place to hide in my bag. No one will know. But sometimes I bring it accidentally.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes.
Like when I'm using my phone and I'm ready to go to school, I will just accidentally put it in my pocket. And I realize it in school.
Oh.
And that is like scary.
Yeah, that happened to me once because I wasn't really ready because I don't really bring my phone to school because the discipline teacher is like so strict. So like, I just had to oh shit, I just carry it everywhere I go. Everywhere.
Okay. I think that's the reason why school make the rule whereby no one is allowed to bring handphone, right? Mobile phones, because there may be cases. Might be cases whereby the phones gone missing. Then there will be like a distraction whereby they have to carry out spot checks throughout the whole school. Then it's a waste of time,
So
right?
some teachers say you can bring, but it's your responsibility.
Yeah, it's your responsibility if
And
you hilangkan or
If you use it in school, you cannot pass. If you bring it, it's no problem. But if you use it in school, then things get serious.
yes.
Yeah, for example, like in private schools, the students are allowed to bring
Yeah, just
their
not allowed to
phones.
use
Yeah,
it.
just that they have to keep their phone inside the locker. Then after school, then they
bring it
can
out. Yeah.
take it out. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it should be that way. Would be fine. But normally government schools they don't have lockers, right?
Some schools have.
Some
schools.
have. Some have.
My
Okay.
school don't.
Yeah, my school don't as well.
Because they're scared we're going to ruin it.
Then it's better to leave your
Yeah.
phones at home. Okay?
It's safer.
Yeah, it's safer. One last question. What type of teachers that you like most?
Knowledgeable.
Yeah, I think so
Yeah.
too. The teacher really needs to know before she teach.
Yes, of course.
And
Like she just can't read the textbook and teach a student. She needs to understand it. She really needs to be good at teaching
when
to
saying
teach a student.
yeah, when saying knowledgeable, obviously you need smart, caring, loving.
Yes. She really need to be so patient.
Yeah.
She needs to understand the student's
Because
situation.
sometimes we get slow learner.
Slow learners.
Slow
Slow
learners.
learners.
Yeah,
So you gotta be patient.
yeah, true.
Okay, means the teacher
Something
needs,
like Miss Shirley lah. Something like Miss Shirley.
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, perfect.
Means a teacher needs to be knowledgeable, must be smart, intelligent, able to simplify everything, make it easier for the students to understand and score in exams, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We hope all the teachers will be like that. Huh?
Yeah.
Then all the students will be smart and score A's in exams.
We will.
And all the parents will be proud and happy, right?
Oh yeah, that's for
Yes.
sure. That's for sure.
Okay. That's it for 10 questions about students' life at school. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to
Like.
and
Subscribe.
and leave your comments below if you wish to see more videos like this. Hope to see you guys soon.
Bye, guys.
Sayonara.
Adios, amigos.
Today, we are not going to learn about
Ads.